Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to put white background on Instagram stories. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go! Instagram stories are a great way to share even from your life. Unfortunately, there is no special tool to change background color of photo on Instagram stories. However, it is still possible to do so. And in this video, we'll show you how to do it, how to put white background or maybe another color on your Instagram stories. So first of all, of course, we have to open our Instagram. You can go to your story section. You can open the camera. You can just capture anything on your Instagram story like this. After that, you can just tap on the three dots on the upper right corner here. Tap on draw. Because we want to put white background, you can just tap on the white color in here, and you can just tap and hold on your screen like this until all the your color turns out like this. Now you can just tap on the sticker icon on here. You can tap on the photo. You can choose the photo that you want to add to your Instagram stories. Maybe this one. And now you can just tap on your stories. You can also add white background for maybe like this. You want to share story post. You want to share to your story. Add to your story. You can see it turns out like this. If you want to change the color background, you can choose the color and tap and hold like this. It's so simple, right? You can change any color on your Instagram stories. So that is how to put white background on your Instagram story. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!